Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, what I do is I just focus on the chart, and I basically take patterns that repeat themselves over and over and over. I do this full time. I trade the financial markets, day trade them Monday through Friday, and also swing trade the cryptos. If you don't know that we are in a bear market yet, and you're not convinced, I'm quite sure that this last breakdown right here just remind you that we are in a bear market. And if you're not taking advantage of these short-term swings that going on in this market, you're just basically leaving a lot of money on the table, and you just letting the whales just take advantage of you. Okay, so if you just want to learn how to make money right now, instead of just waiting and trying to figure out when the bull market is going to come, definitely subscribe to the channel, because this is what I do. Okay, so during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. And also, if you are watching this replay, you can go to settings. You can press speed and hit 1.5 or 2. You can actually speed up the stream. So shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody that's here in the chat room. Thanks a lot for coming through. Is Bitcoin going to make a bull move, or is it going to make is it going to crash soon? So we can definitely talk about that today. We're going to look over the coin market cap, a couple more things, what's in the news. So shout out to everybody that's here. Actually, let me give everybody a round of applause before we get started. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's here. Let's see who's here. Davina Perry, Dom, J.A. Okay, Rachel, what's going on? Glenn, Travis, Crypto Gains, Cedric, Ahmed, everybody that's here, man. Randy, Banter, Annette, 221. Shout out to everybody that's here. Okay, if you're new to the channel, if you have any questions, let me know. Or anybody that have anybody in the live on the live stream right now have any questions, let me know. Okay. So let's get to it. Let's get to the charts. Bitcoin is really not doing anything. Let's go to coin market cap right now, and let's refresh this. I'm quite sure, actually, Bitcoin dominance is going up. And that is letting me know, right? The dominance is letting me know that we are still in a bear market. Bear market, and most likely we're not going to get out of the bear market no time soon, because it seems like the dominance wants to continue to grow. Okay, it wants to continue to grow. So these altcoins right now is weak. We see Ethereum. Ethereum is falling off the cliff, but it's not just Ethereum. It's these other altcoins too. Everything is falling right now. So we have to keep in mind that Bitcoin is the leader, but these altcoins right now is the leading indicator. And let's go to the Bitcoin dominance real quick. Okay, so what I'm looking at right here is most likely the next stop. Okay, the next stop will be right here, this high right here. Okay, so this high right here is around 65%. Okay, so that's the next stop that I'm looking for Bitcoin would hit. Okay, so and keep this in mind. Okay, if Bitcoin goes to that 65, to this high right here, that means that your favorite coin that you like right now, and and these YouTubers are telling you to buy the dips. Keep in mind, if Bitcoin dominance keep on going up, especially if it goes up to 65%, that means that a lot of these coins are just going to continue to go down a lot. So I had, I think yesterday I had a live stream and I talked about this. Most people don't understand that Bitcoin has a lot of room to go down. So your favorite coin right now, you think is at low numbers, or you think it's at a good price, but imagine when Bitcoin continues to go down a lot. Imagine where your favorite coin is going to be number wise, okay, price wise. So keep that in mind, okay, for all you guys that want to continue to buy the dips because you think it's fun, you think this is a video game, and you're not treating your hard-earned money with respect. Keep that in mind, okay? You have to treat this like a business. You know, that's the only way you're going to survive. Is you can't treat it like a video game. But you know, overall, I do expect something. I think I expect Bitcoin to go to that 65 level because it looks like it's headed to that level. Okay, and like I said before, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin hit 70% when it comes to the dominance, because we are in the bear market. And also, I think this time they want to keep the market cap probably below this $1 billion mark for a long time, probably. Depending on if we get a bounce or not. I don't think we're going to get a high bounce, but most likely they want to keep it around the 100s. And also, I don't think Bitcoin did Bitcoin go below 100 yet? I don't think so. Let me see if I can find that out. I'm trying to look for a Bitcoin market cap. Let's see. Trying to look for them. I don't know why. Okay, so I don't think we went below. I don't see it right now. I don't think we went below 100 billion yet when it came to Bitcoin. It don't look like it looked like the low was 100 and that was it. So I believe we will probably crack that low, that 100 billion low, okay? And when that happens, things will get ugly. Probably a lot of bad news is going to come out. Tether right now is still fishy. We don't know what's going on with Tether. You know, it's still fishy. But overall, guys, you know, we are in the bear market. I don't think the bulls is going to come in no time soon because we had a lot of chances, right? And Bitcoin failed every time it went up. Every time Bitcoin went up, it failed to go higher. So we went up here, 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 and here, and every time we're going up, it's just going lower. These tops are getting lower and lower. Okay, these tops are getting lower and lower. So it's just, you know, we definitely in a bear market, and it's sad, you know, but this is what we have to deal with. So let's see if I see any questions before I continue to go on. What's going on, BJ? What's going on, G Baker? 221 is on the sidelines for a minute. I don't blame you. Banta said he's from London. Shout out to you. Calvin, what's going on, man? Travis, Matt, King. You said finally sold all my alts. That's what's up. Gotta wait for Bitcoin. You said gotta wait on that Bitcoin new low. Okay, that's what's up, man. I'm stuck in Tron. Should have listened. Let's look at Tron real quick. Yeah, I mean, it's funny because I remember saying this. I think either it was 1 month ago or a couple of months ago. I said, don't be surprised if you see 1 cent when it comes to Tron. Okay. And someone on the live stream said, "Hey man, Tron would never go to 1 cent." And this is what I tell people all the time. Stop talking like you know what's going to happen. Okay, like people talking absolutes, like this will never happen or this will happen or blah blah blah. Okay, you can't say things like that because you're talking about a market that you don't even control. So you can't say this will happen or that never will happen or whatever the case is. Okay. Professionals always give themselves room for mistakes. So you have to understand that. Now with Tron, there was a lot of chances you can actually. There was a lot of times you could have, took your profit and probably sold out of, got out of Tron and or just took half or whatever, took half of your profits. But right now, Tron is just going down like the rest of the market. So, it is what it is. I know a lot of people made a lot of money with Tron, but unfortunately, we in the bear market. Let's see if I see any more questions here. If Bitcoin is a leader in the cryptocurrencies, Big Ben is the crypto YouTuber leader. Ray, what's going on, man? Like I said before, if you are new to the channel, welcome. If anybody on the live stream have any questions, let me know. I will see if I get to your question. Travis, it is hard to cut losses no matter how much you have it. So yes, you are 100% correct. You are 100% correct. It's hard to cut losses. And when I first started out, I struggled with that too. I struggled with cutting losses because it's always a voice in your head that will say, "Hey, man, you know what? It's a possibility this thing is going to reverse soon, so don't sell. Don't sell." But your heart knows that this thing will continue to go down, but that voice is telling you, "Man, don't sell." So, you fighting your demons when you are investing in the market. So that's why when it comes to me, I have a system in place, and I try my best not to violate my system. Okay, so that's why you have to have a system. Okay, you have to have a system. You have to say, okay, if Tron or Ethereum goes up this much, I'm willing to take half off the table just in case Ethereum pulls back and, whatever the case is. So you have to have a system, and not only have a system, you have to follow your rules. And you almost have to become like a robot, because if you don't, it's just going to be another video game that you're playing, okay, and you're just trying to wing it. You have to treat it like a business, and this is what I do. But I do understand that sometimes it's hard to take profits, or it's hard to cut a loser, or sometimes even take profits because you think that this thing will continue to go up. But that's why you have to have a system in place, no matter what you think. Okay, no matter what you think, you still gotta follow your system. Let me see here. Yeah, Dogecoin is up 30%. Yeah, It seems well, let's look at it right now, okay? Let's look at it right now. Okay, so let's back out. So even though it's going up, okay, I believe eventually it will you know, go down like the rest. I think eventually it will go down like the rest. But you know, this coin is not worth that much anyway, so you have to expect some type of pumps and dumps with these small coins. But I believe eventually it will, you know, continue to go down with the rest. But you know, let's look at the price. The price is low, so I do expect some type of pump with these type of prices. Let's see here. I sold my alts in Tether. You think that was a bad idea? Nah, not necessarily. I don't think that's a bad idea. Let me ask you a question, King Caffey. Did you take a loss? Did you take a loss? And also, what is your strategy right now? BTC will have another run up. I don't know. Let me see. BTC have another run up to 65. So what I think personally, I think we will see another green bar. I think we probably will see another green bar. I don't think the green bar will be that high though. Let's go to the 4-hour. Yeah, so I wouldn't be surprised if we see another green bar, but honestly, I don't think that green bar is going to go that far. Can we go to 65? You know, anything is possible. Anything is possible. But, you know, I think we probably going to have one more green bar on the daily chart. So this bar right here, and then probably the next day, we probably see a red bar. And that bar would probably be the bar. Because I'm thinking, the more I'm thinking about this, I was thinking maybe we're going to consolidate, you know, for a long time. But we might not even consolidate a long time around this area. They might just want to, you know, dump this thing right now. Martin said, got the Discord link today. That's what's up, man. Tim said it looks like it's about to break the market structure and drop in the next couple of days. Yes, it definitely does. I think we're going to probably see another green bar today, or you know, which is tomorrow, and then follow the next day. We're probably going to see a red bar, which will probably, I don't know how far that red bar is going to go, but we'll, like I said, we will see. That's what I'm thinking, you know. That's in my head. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but that's just in my head. 1 cent TRX, I am sad. JA. Marco said 1 cent. Yeah, I know, man. I know exactly what you're talking about. You know, because not too long ago, Tron was at what, 25 cents or 24 cents. So people that bought Tron at 1 cent, because I know some people actually bought Tron lower than 1 cent, but let's say you bought Tron at 1 cent and it went all the way to 24 cents. That's 24 times your money. So let's say that you put a 1 grand on that. That's 24,000. And let's say that you put 10 grand. That's 240,000. So this is why, guys, you have to, man. Like, honestly, if you're all on my stream, guys, I want you to not think like the rest of the crypto market. These guys are delusional and they just don't understand. They think everything is just fun and games. They think this is a video game, but this is a business. You have to pay yourself. So guys, if you are on my live stream right now, learn from your mistakes. When that next bull run comes, make sure you take your profits during that bull run. You can always get back into your favorite coin. Don't be too greedy. Okay, because if you drop 10 grand into Tron TRX and you made $240,000, shame on you if you didn't take profits. Shame on you. I mean, that's life-changing money and you didn't take profits. Shame on you. Okay? I hope that you guys are learning from this. And because some people, the way they talk right now, it's just, you can tell they have not learned yet. Okay? Yeah, hit these likes. You said what time Discord is 24/7, Martin. So it's 24/7. Doge is the ultimate. Yeah, I know, man. I hear you. What's going on, Leslie Savage? King Boy said Bitcoin 1 hour triangle. Yeah, I see the triangle. I think we're gonna break to the upside first. I think we're gonna break to the upside first. And like I said, I think we're gonna have another. This is just my opinion. I believe we're gonna have another green bar, which is, you know, tomorrow, and then probably the day after that we're gonna have a red bar. But if we drop down from this triangle, then, you know, that is a nice little triangle on BTC. I want to take bigger loss. What do you mean you want to take a bigger loss? I was trying to buy the dips, but I realized we keep on dipping. So Tether until. Oh, I see what you're saying. You said you didn't want to take a bigger loss. I was trying to buy the dips, but I didn't realize we will keep dipping. So I Tether, okay, until I see Bitcoin hit, go low, see what altcoins end up, and maybe go back in later and try to short BTC in the alt in the meantime. Okay, shout out to you. At least you're trying to do something. Some people are not trying to do anything. You see in the crypto space, some people just trying not to do anything, man. They just want to buy the dips, play this like a video game, and think that it's a game. So shout out to you, King, for trying something. Dan said, Ben, if you zoom out and look at November 2017 to now, is that a bull flag with the 6K being the bottom of the flag? Nah, it's not a. It probably looks like a bull flag, but it's not. Let's check it out. Yeah, so nah, it's not a bull flag because the momentum basically been down the whole year. Okay, and we had a lot of chances to go up. Rachel said, I'm still having trouble downloading the course. Rachel, I send you a new link, okay? And also, do you have an iPhone? Would you have an iPhone? Okay. I gave you directions for the iPhone, and I gave you directions for the Windows. So tell me exactly how you're having problems, and tell me exactly what phone are you using. Are you using the Android or iPhone? Shout out to Keith, man. Thanks a lot, Keith, for giving me that super chat, $20. Thanks for your education, Big Ben. Shout out to everyone in the building tonight. And if you're new, pick up Ben's course and learn how to swing trade in the bear market. Now let's play the game smart and make this money. So shout out to Keith. Let me give him a round of applause. Thanks a lot for coming through. And thank you for that super chat, man. I appreciate it. I definitely do. Definitely do, Keith, man. Appreciate it. BTC should go down right now. It should, right? I think we're going to have probably another green day, but we'll see. Like I said, we'll see. You know, tomorrow could be that red day. It could be. Tomorrow could be a red day. But they might have, like, you know, 3 little candles. But if tomorrow's a red day, okay, then most likely, you know, we're going to continue to go down. But like I said, we'll see. So Rachel has an iPhone. So exactly, tell me, Rachel, what exactly are you having? You know, what type of problems are you having? Did you download the app that I told you to download? Anybody that's on here, anybody that's on this chat room that has the course and that downloaded the course on an iPhone, can you tell Rachel exactly how to do it? Because I don't have an iPhone, but you know. Rachel, what program did you download? Rachel, what program did you download for the iPhone to open up the course? Keith said, let's have a positive, productive week. Shout out to you. Let's get this crypto, guys. Let's get this crypto. Nah, I'm sore as hell, but I'm good. You sore? Why you sore, Glenn? You said, I agree. Sometimes Justin will bring in wells to create hype, but we can't rely on that. Who's Justin? Crypto Gains, who's Justin? Just saw a video with a kid who looks like 12 saying Bitcoin is going. Oh man, you saw a video of a guy that looked like 12 saying Bitcoin will go to 300K. That sounds about right. That sounds about right. That sounds about right. And honestly, I don't know where McAfee gets that $1 million price tag on Bitcoin. I mean, I don't know where he gets that $1 million price tag. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. Like, you have people that's just pumping things up just because. I don't know where he get that $1 million price tag on Bitcoin. You had to mow 2 lots after it rained every day last week. Sheesh. You had to take up so much grass, man. That's crazy. And you was doing it with a rake. That's crazy. What's going on, Cali Life? What's up? I got your question. I got a question. What's a good exchange to short the BTC? There's a lot of exchanges. Okay, you have BitMEX, Kraken. I use JazzFax. So there's a lot of exchanges. So, anybody on this live stream that has a iPhone that download the course on the iPhone, please can you direct Rachel? Because everyone that used that app told me they was able to open the course with it. So I really don't understand why she's having problems, but maybe someone knows more than me because I don't have an iPhone. Rachel, let me ask you this question. Do you have a PC or do you have a Mac, like a laptop? Mrs. Sandy said, I use a wine app for the MacBook, but I download it real good on my Android. So what do you mean by wine app? That's the name of the app? Keith, you said you got paid today. What do you mean you got paid today? You traded a coin today, Keith? Callie said Justin Sun is the CEO of TRX. Yeah, but somebody said Justin. They didn't say Justin Sun. Okay. And who said Justin? Let me see. Who said that? I can't remember who said that. He said, I agree. Sometimes Justin will bring in wells to create hype, but we can't rely on that. So, you have to understand, I'm reading a whole bunch of questions and he's talking about, Justin. So, I mean, if he said Justin's son, then I would know he's talking about Tron. But yeah, he does create a lot of hype. I told you guys that Justin's son is actually a good marketer. He knows how to promote and create hype, but it's not going to work in a bear market. Okay. Dan said, Big Ben just look at charts. It's just the sun on the charts. Shout out to Dan. Yeah, but he said Justin, so I didn't know exactly what he's talking about. He didn't say Justin's son. I know exactly who's Justin's son. Let me see if I see any more questions. You said you saw on Reddit that a whale hasn't touched his wallet since 2014. Moved 1 billion in Bitcoin to Binance. Can't be Binance to Bitfinex. Can't be a good sign. He moved a 1 billion to Bitcoin to Binance to Bitfinex. Oh man, that's crazy. Maybe he's getting nervous. And 2014 actually was when the market was crashing too. So maybe he realized, man, this thing is looking, this thing doesn't look too good. McAfee is delusional. Yeah, I know, right? You said I do, but I'm visiting a friend in far away. I swore someone told me that they opened the course on an iPhone. Okay, so you telling me that no one on this chat room opened my course on an iPhone before? So Sandy said, yeah, the Wine app extract files. So Rachel, do you know anything about the Wine app? Do you know anything about the Wine app? He said it extract files. But I guess worst come to worst, you're going to have to download it on your Mac or your laptop, your PC. Oh, Keith said just for your job. Okay, shout out to you. I'm getting paid. King said, I didn't know I can download it to your iPhone. Got to try it out. For your course worked after raw extractor. So wine and raw RAR extractor is the two apps that these that the chat is talking about. JA said, yeah, it's not allowing US. Yes, it's not allowing US signups. JA, you have to use other brokers. Did you see the update? My video updates? All right, so I was reading these questions, guys. So let's get to a couple of things that I saw today. So we got the twin brothers. They trying to launch a stable coin that's going to, I guess, compete with Tether. So Tether's going to have, I guess, I don't know, going to have problems or not, but I guess they're trying to compete with Tether, so we will see how that is going to pan out, but because I mean Tether and these guys are going to get, you know, they got a green light and they trying to make it legit. Okay, Tether is really not legit. Nobody really did a real audit on Tether yet, so we will see how that will work out. And also, nearly half of ICOs failed to raise funds since the start of 2017. Okay, so all these ICOs that you see that these YouTubers promote, nearly half of these ICOs are not going anywhere. They are having a hard time raising funds, and it's going to be hard to raise funds in a bear market. Okay, and honestly, you know, I don't mean this. I don't mean to sound like a hater, but I'm glad, because most of these 99.9 or 98% of these ICOs are garbage. Okay, they just want to create an ICO so they can take money from hardworking people and not do anything, you know, because most of these ICOs, they create a good white paper, they have some good promotions, but at the same time, they're not really looking to do anything. Okay, they just gonna sit on that money and, you know, make some money and take out, you know, withdraw some money so they can live a good life. So meanwhile, you're going to lose money because they're not doing anything with the ICO. Okay, so I'm glad that a lot of these projects is not working out, because most of these guys are garbage. And I told you guys that, you know, a lot of these coins have to continue to go down. This is why I tell you guys from the beginning, when I first started out doing these live streams, I said, you know, I list 5 reasons why I believe Bitcoin will continue to go down. Okay, and one of my reasons was these crap coins that we have on the market has to go. A lot of them has to just disappear, and in order for them to disappear, the market has to go down, guys. You have to understand that. In order for those coins to disappear, the market has to go down. It is no other way. Okay, so let's say that we bottom out right here and we just continue to go back up, and then we hit 30K. You know, all these projects are just, they're gonna go up with the market, and they're gonna survive. And it doesn't work like that, especially if these projects are not doing anything. So a lot of these projects have to die, and in order for that to happen, unfortunately, the market has to go down. Okay, it's just how things work. Same thing with the .com boom, when most of those IPOs was basically garbage, right? The market had to crash to wipe out all those .coms that was pretty much doing nothing, and the market had to reset, right? So that's what's going on right now. Let's see what's going on in the chat room here. You said I will go to Apple and have them download it to me. Okay, no problem. Rachel, I downloaded on my computer, then just dropped box it to my phone. So shout out to you. And guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, Cali Life, yes. Cali Life, Cali Life, do you got the course, right? Cali Life? Cali Life, you have the course, right? All right, so how do I feel about Kraken? I never used it before, so I don't know. Anybody in this chat room use Kraken before? I never used it before, so I don't know. You know. So let's look at some other altcoins real quick, because you know what we're looking at is just sad. Okay, we see Ethereum just dropping like a rock. And it's sad because I know a lot of people are going to try to time the bottom and buy this bottom, and they're going to get wrecked. It's to the point where, guys, you have to understand, just because you see a green bar on a chart doesn't mean anything, guys. You know, you should know by now. A green bar doesn't mean anything on the chart, especially when the market is going down. So Ethereum looks weak. Once Bitcoin crack that low, Ethereum is probably gonna go to the 130s. So just watch out for that. Let's look at XRP. And XRP looks like it's going to crack this low right here, 24 cents, and then it might break down, depending on how crazy Bitcoin gets. We might see XRP hit that 19 cents. Let's see what Litecoin is doing. Yeah, Litecoin definitely looks like it's trying to hit this low right here, that 34. Okay, let's see what people. Yeah, I got the course yesterday. I just need exchange without a VPN. All right, so Cali Life, do you have the Discord room? Cali Life, are you in the Discord room already? Or matter of fact, you don't even have to go to the Discord room. But do you have the Discord room? I like seeing intelligent females in the house. Yes, I do too. So shout out to the females that's in the house. So guys, you have to understand, what you're doing. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. But you have to understand what you're doing when it comes to this market, because you're gonna keep on buying the bottoms, and you don't understand that you are buying corrections. Okay, this is why you have to. It's very important to understand how the market works. Okay. So when the market is going down like this, it a lot of times when it pulls back, it's just correcting. It's just correcting itself, okay? And a lot of times people just buy these bottoms, don't understand that there's a flag that's forming, or a channel that's forming to continue to go back down, okay? Same thing with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was bouncing up, people thought that, we was going to turn bullish again, okay? But if you knew what to look for, then you wouldn't be FOMO Joe, okay? Because we had this big drop right here. Okay, we had this big drop right here. Usually after a big drop, we're going to have consolidation. And that's what we had. We had consolidation, and we was creating this big channel. So I was talking about this channel for the longest. I'll say, guys, we are still in this channel. We didn't really break out of this channel. So Bitcoin is still bearish. And out of nowhere, we just dropped and broke the channel. So if you knew how to read the market, you would know that this is not a bullish up move, because it's just a corrective move. Okay, the market just going up in the channel, and when the market drops like this, like a rock, and then going up like a channel, that usually means continuation. Okay, so that's why it's very important, guys, to understand and read the market, because if you don't, you're always going to be a victim. It's just what it is. Okay, you're always going to be a victim. You're always going to buy the tops, because I know that a lot of people bought you know, these tops right here. I know people bought these tops, and they're getting smashed right now. So that's why it's very important to understand how to read these markets, because if you don't, these guys are going to have fun with you. The whales I'm talking about. Also, if you don't have my course, check it out. Usually on my live stream, I give y'all guys the discount. I didn't give nobody the discount tonight, so let me give it out. Okay, so the original price is $210. Now I give you guys that $110 discount. So anybody that don't have this course by now, check it out. You can read the testimonials from my students that's making money right now. So if you don't know how to make money in this current market, well, this is the course for you. And I'm gonna copy and paste that link to you, so you can you know, take advantage of that, because when I get off a live stream, it's going back to the regular price. So let me copy and paste that. Don't name your child Joe. Oh man, for real, it's a wrap. Oh man, it's a wrap. Don't name your child Joe. That's crazy. It might be some Joes in the house though, so I don't want to disrespect any Joes. What low do you think Litecoin will hit? I will get to that. Do you think Bitcoin is holding its ground for now? Shout out to Mark D. Mark D, are you new to the channel? So someone asked me about Litecoin. Litecoin, how far do I think it's going to go? Well, you know, no one knows how far Litecoin will go, but I definitely see Litecoin going for these lows right here. So I could definitely see Litecoin at 35. Okay. Can it go lower than 35? Yes, of course. Because if Bitcoin continue to go down, guess what? These other altcoins are going to continue to go down. All right, so let's go back to Mark. Mark said, do you think Bitcoin is holding its ground? Mark, unfortunately, no, I don't think so. Only reason why I'm saying that is because we should have actually went up so many, you know, like we had 4 chances, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's telling me that every single time it's trying to go up, it's dropping right back down. Okay, and it's not even dropping down just because. It's actually dropping down right at resistance. Okay, so it dropped down here, it created resistance right here, it went to the trend line right here, dropped out, it dropped, reject from that trend line, it went to the trend line once again, and it dropped like crazy. So it's telling me that sellers are in control. They don't want to push up the market that much. We had guys. We just had so many chances to go up, but we never went up. So I think the sellers are in control right now, and I think they want to break below that 57 mark. Okay, and that's how it is right now. Yeah, I answered your question. You said, do I think can it go to 8K? Yeah, I answered your question already. Nah, it can't. I don't think 8K is in the question right now. Moon up these likes. Shout out to Sandy. Yes, definitely hit these likes. Your finger's not going to hurt, so definitely moon up these likes. Callie out. Take it easy, Big Ben. Yes, have a good one, Callie. Thanks a lot. Keith said, no offense to any Joes. Just listening. Just joking. Yeah, I know. Mark D said, no, I'm old to the channel. Okay, shout out to you. Yeah, I definitely do remember you, Mark D. I'm bugging out. Have the course. I have the course Border with Crypto. Yes. Yes, I do. I definitely remember you now, Mark D. Shout out to you, man. Yeah, Rachel actually emailed me today. So, Rachel, did I give you the Discord link already, Rachel? I can't remember. I believe I did. Rachel, did I give you that Discord link? And anybody else that bought the course, if you want that Discord link, just email me with proof, and I will send you that Discord link. Okay. I'm about to get out of here soon, though. I'm definitely about to get out of here soon. But you have to study the market, guys. You can't let these guys continue to take your money. Okay. Because that's what it's all about anyway. It's about taking your money. That's how they make money. That's how the whales make money. They love people that hodl. The whales love the people that hodl because they know in a bear market they're gonna take their money. Okay. So you always have to play defense. You always have to figure out ways to make money. Just what it is. Okay, so shout out to Rachel. She says she has the course. Has the Discord. I was reading something today. Craig said, I'm guessing you said dead cat bounce, then a huge move, missed the last hour. Yeah. Right now the market is weak, so I definitely don't expect anything to go up because think about it. Think about it. If we wanted to go to 8K, this was it right here. Okay. This was it. We had a chance to go to 8K. We went to what, 73 or maybe 70. Did we went? Yeah, we went to 74. So we had that chance to go to 8K right here. So it doesn't make sense to drop back all the way down to the lows and just go all the way back to 8K. It really doesn't make any sense. So, honestly, if they drop this low, honestly, it's a high chance that they're gonna break these lows right here, 57 lows. I was reading something today. I was reading a comment today, And some guy said, I am only 19 years old. I have thousands in crypto space, waiting patient to see where the market could be in 7 years plus. Maybe even retire by 25 or 30, or by the time so he wants to retire by 25 or 30. Okay. And then someone wrote underneath the comment and say, or by the time you're 25 or 30, you're going to piss all these coins. He said your coins might be going, your coins might go to zero, and you're not gonna have no money. So this was the reason why I'm reading this, is because most people, they think like this. Okay, they think that they just put money into the market. They're gonna wait 7 years plus, hope to retire or make some millions of dollars, and things will be okay. And this is what most people think. They think it's that easy. Okay, and I'm here to tell you that it's not that easy. Okay. And also, just like the comment, the person that comment underneath just like the person that reply, he said that, it's a possibility that when you're 25 or 30, all your coins might be at zero. So you have to understand that just because you put thousands of dollars into these coins doesn't mean that your coin will go to the moon. Okay, this is not a 100% guaranteed type thing. So I want you guys to just, whenever you get off this live stream, right, sit down, close your eyes, and think about waiting 7 years, 8 years, right? And picture yourself seeing your coin either at the same price you bought it at 7 years ago, or it's at a lower price. Picture that. Because the reason why I want you to think that way, because that is a possibility, okay? And I don't want you guys to get caught up into that Lambo mentality. We always going to moon, or my coin is 100% guaranteed to go up. I don't want you guys to get caught up with that. I want you guys to build skills, okay? Every millionaire, billionaire that I know, I don't know any billionaires, but I know millionaires. Every millionaire that I know and billionaires that I read about, they have skills that will allow them to make money every single month. Okay? They don't say, oh, I'm going to put all my wealth into one investment and hope it works out 8 years or 20 years down the road. Okay? And you have to understand, people that, it's just crazy. I'm not gonna go all day with that. I just want to get you guys to think about that. Stop thinking that it's easy, okay? Stop thinking that it's easy. You have to put in work. You have to build skills. It's just what it is. Okay? Most people don't want to hear that, but I'm trying to tell you guys the real deal. And your favorite YouTuber is not going to tell you that. He's going to try to sell you some type of dream. And I'm not going to tell you that, okay? I'm going to tell you to put in that work so you can build your skills, so you can make that money. If you have any questions, I'm about to get out of here, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. But if not, I'm about to get out of here. Thanks a lot for your time. Right now, Bitcoin, like I said in the beginning, I think we might have another green day. Okay, and then follow, the next day we might have a red day. So we will see. That's just my thoughts. It don't have to happen like that, but that's just my thoughts. So shout out to everybody that's here. Like I said, I'll give you guys 2 more minutes if you have any more questions. If not, check out my course if you don't have it by now. And that's about it. The crypto space is just weak right now. The dominance looks like it's going to continue to rise. We dropped below that market cap, that 100 billion. So keep that in mind. Yes. Randy said, "Preach, Ben. We all need to hear this." Yes, and I'm not saying that. I'm not saying this to be negative. I'm just saying this, guys, because I have experience in the markets and I know how things will could work out. I mean, I know how things could go because I know that this, especially a market like this is very volatile. And it is new. Okay, so since it's so new, you're always gonna have another altcoin that's going to become or be much better than the next altcoins that you have right now. Okay, and I always tell you guys, if you look at the screenshot from the coin market cap when the market was crashing, look at the first page. Most of these coins that you see right here wasn't on the first page. A lot of these coins got wiped out. So just keep that in mind, guys. Okay, don't think that you're just gonna put money into a coin and you're gonna make millions of dollars. I don't want you guys to waste all that time. Imagine wasting 7, 8 years, guys. Imagine wasting all that time. That's a lot of time to be wasting. Like, we don't have time to be wasting like that, guys. Like, we don't. I don't want you guys to waste that much. It's just crazy. But shout out to everybody that's here. I'm about to get out of here. Yeah, have a good night, guys. And make sure you continue to study. See you guys later. I don't see no more questions, so see you guys later. Hopefully we get some setups, and we go from there. But anyway, talk to you guys later. Have a good night, and make sure you study, guys. Talk to you guys later.